Can you hear now? Or can I have somebody write? Am I audible now or not? Am I audible now? The mic is here, yeah? Okay.
I'll check.
Yeah, just check.
I'll check.
So, can you show me? Perfect. So we made an entry point. Nelson, we'll need to do a little bit more here.
Yeah.
Just clean it up and just. So here we're using, now I think we can hear. You can put it.
The one with the solution.
Yes, you can. Can you show me? Can you hear me? I'll just go out. Yes? Okay, good.
Can you have that solution?
Yes,
The
sir.
one with the solution.
Yeah.
So, so Nelson, you do it. So, actually, I get in a lot of questions regarding whether you'll be able to learn in 5 days and what kind of workshop we have. So please see how it is. You know, this is second day today, and the hands-on part is the crucial part here. And as you can see, they are using. I mean, say.